Okay, so Assalamualaikum. For today class, we are going to teach you on how we are going to use the Microsoft project. So what you need to choose first is you need to choose the blank project. Okay, we are going to rename the project after this. So if you currently the project is renamed as project 1. Okay, okay. So now you can take a look on the top. We have the file or save and so on. And then we have the tab of the task, okay, resource, report, project, view, help, and format. Okay, Harun. And under the task, we can see that we have this one, indent and outdent. This is for you to link the task. This is the task that we are going to choose. We can use this one or we can type this one. And this is the summary as well as the milestone. Okay, for resource, we can assign resource on this one or you can assign resource on this table. For report, we are going to take report based on what we have done here. And this is the project. This is the view. Okay, so this is the Gantt chart view actually. So this is the tracking. Okay, this is the Gantt chart view. The tracking gun. Okay, we are going to tally this one. Okay, and then just go back to the Gantt chart view. And then we have help and also format. For format, we can choose the style for our Gantt chart. Okay, so I'm going to start. We have learned in the class. I asked you to do this one first. Okay, so for this one, for the task name, for example, okay, we are going to have at least two main tasks, Harun. The first main task is the booking. So, under the booking, maybe we have want to book the venue, want to book the food and beverages, and also maybe the participant. Okay, this is for our event. So, we are going to have this one. So, how I'm going to do this one? So, how long do you think we need to have for booking? Maybe 7 days. And we are going to start on 16. So, which is today. Okay, so venue, how many days? Maybe we need 3 days for venue. Food beverages, yes, I think we are going to take along for the food and beverages and 3 days for this one. Okay, so we are going to start this one also on 16. Okay, how about this one? I'm going to setting that earlier. Okay, if you can see, this is the main task and we want to make venue, food and beverages under the booking. So there's two ways. The first way, you can see my cursor here. Can you see the symbol? I'm going to drag here. So we can see that minimize the booking. You can see that the venue under the booking. So I want to do the same to food and beverages. Whether you can use that one or you can choose this one indent. Okay, so either one. Okay, so when I minimize booking, you can see under the booking we have subtasks of venue, food and beverages and participant. Okay, I'm going to do link for this one. So the first one, there's two ways. The first way, I'm going to make sure I'm going to start food and beverages after we have completed choose the venue. So there's two ways. The first way, I'm going to drag this one to this one. You can see this one. Okay. It will be look like this. Okay. So I'm going to make it as 8 days. Okay. Okay. So that's another way. The first one, when you put your cursor here, you can see that this is finished to start. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm going to double click this one. I'm going to remove this one. Okay. So why I'm going to remove this one? Because I'm going to show you another way is you can choose here predecessor. The predecessor for the food and beverages is venue. Okay, we have choose previously is finished to start. Okay. So once you have completed the venue, we are going to start the food and beverages. Okay, so what happened if we choose another type? Okay, so what happened when we use start to start? Okay, you can see here when we choose starts to start, Both sub-tasks, venue and food beverages will start on the same day, which is 16 May. Even though the day for venue only 3 days, but food beverages 5 days. But again, we choose start. Both activity will start on the same day. Okay, now I'm going to proceed to the next one. I'm going to choose finish to finish. So when we talk about the term type of finish to finish, both activity will finish on the same day. Can you see this one? Okay. So both are finished on 18 May. Okay, both activities, venue and food and beverages will finish on 15 May. Okay, double click. I'm going to show you the last one is a start to finish. So start to finish means after the food and beverages start and it will finish on 16 May and at the same time venue will start. That is what we mean about start to finish. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the exact one. Actually, for this one is we choose finish to start FS. Okay, so for participant, I want participant and also the what we call participant and food averages start on the same time. So double click here. Oh, it's not working like this. Okay, double click. I want you to choose start to start. Okay, or you can choose this one as finish to finish. Both will finish on the same day. If pretty hard for you to use that one, you just can choose it here, finish to finish. So you can see that both food and beverages and participant will finish on the 25th May, even though the participant will start on 23rd May. Okay, so this is how you are going to do this one. Okay, how we are going to assign the resources for this one. Okay, venue. So the venue manual one, I'm going to put a name here. And then I press OK. And then another way for us to assign is we choose assign resources here. You put a name here. Anga, Alang, Achi. Okay. Then for food and beverages, go to the resources. And you can choose it here that we have assigned. Anga. Okay. And then we need another person. Is Alang. Okay, actually units ni, how many percent we want that person to do it? Maybe 50%? 50% ish if you want to set anyone. Okay, this one. But if you do not want to set in, just ignore that one. Okay, so this is how it look like. But again, this is only for your what we call information. But for your assessment, no need to put that one 50%. Okay, just remain as 100%. Okay, so that's one participant. Who else left is Alang. Alang dah. Achi. Okay. 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 So we have done the first one. So I'm going to proceed to the next one, but I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use the summary task. Okay. You can see here. Okay. How long do we need for this one? Maybe 5 days. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to rename this one as promotion. Okay. And make sure, okay, you can see right now the task promotion is under the booking. I want to make it as it's the second one. Okay, the second summary task. Okay, so for this one under the promotion is social media maybe. And then maybe we have other than social media, we have hands-on. Hands-on, maybe you are giving the brochure. Okay, so how long do we need for this one? Yes, maybe 5 days to, and hands-on maybe 3 days. Okay, so we are going to start this one on 16 May. Oh, sorry, this one we are going to start on 21st May. Okay, oh sorry, 16 May. Okay, so I'm going to assign this one as Start to start. Okay, start to start. Double click hands on, predecessor, and choose start to start. Okay, so you can see that that is how start to start are going to look like. Okay, so want to assign someone to do this one? Yes, just choose resources you have assigned. If you need someone else, you can just add this one. Okay, and last one. Okay, last one is the event preparation. Maybe 2 days. Okay, rehearsal. We need 1 day, and the event itself. Oh, not in the. Okay, so make sure event is the new task. Okay, rehearsal. Okay, so when we minimize this one, you can see that you only have three main tasks. Okay, minimize promotion and minimize event. Okay. Okay, so this event rehearsal we are going to use 2 days, starting for 16 juga. Okay, oh no, we are going to start this one on 19, and the same thing goes to this one, 19, and your event will be on 21st. Okay, okay, so just drag. Okay, so what happened here? As you can see that it will not do the job during the weekend. Okay, but again we need to have our event to happen on 21st. Okay, so just put it here. Yes, it will look like this. Okay, so I'm going to choose the format. I'm going to change the color. Okay, for this one. Okay, so you can see this one, there's only one. Okay, event preparation. If you need another one other than rehearsal, just add this one. Okay, there's one way for you to add, just is you insert a task. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to insert this one is what we call opening, maybe. Okay, maybe for opening we just need 1 day. We're going to do it on 19. Okay, so I want to make sure both activity, opening and rehearsal, are going to finish on the same date. Okay, so I'm going to choose finish to finish. Okay, this is how your event will look like. Okay. Oh, okay. It's not. I think start to start. Both are going to start on the same day. Okay. So this is how your assignment will look like. So how you're going to submit to me? Okay, we go to the word view. This is the tracking view. Okay, and this is the Gantt chart view. So make sure you have this one to submit to me. Okay. Okay, because we can put it. You can minimize here. Okay, so far I'm going to do print. Okay, you can see you have all this one until the milestone. Okay, you adjust first before you do this one. How you are going to save this one as PDF? Okay, before that, go to the header. Please make sure you rename this one. Okay, for example, the project, project exercise 1. And then you go to OK. Okay, you can see that you have this one, the header, project exercise 1. Okay, and then you want to have the footer. Okay, for usually for the footer, I want you to put your name, your student ID number, as well as your group. Okay, Nur Hafiza, I'm going to put my name, student ID number, and then class TBA 118118 for example. Okay, okay. And then choose this one, Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you can save this one in the form of PDF, and then you submit to me this what we call your interface. So I'm going to check your exercise based on this one. That's why again I repeat, it's easy for you to score your what we call assignment 2, okay, which is the Microsoft project. Okay, so that's it for now for Microsoft project. Please do read again your notes in your Microsoft project chapter 3, but again for my video it's only for the hands on. Okay, so you need to read because you are going to be answered about the certain term, especially recurring tasks, and as well as what we call how to do the report and so on. Okay, so that's it for now.